Welcome back to the channel. We are doing a streetwear video today, just showcasing some streetwear looks, and I usually throw in some tips for the ladies, you feel me, if you want to get into dressing that way to achieve the look yourself. So stay tuned.
Ballin', yeah, I be busy ballin'.
So in my basic to bomb video that I did not too long ago, I said this: swapping the simple gray t-shirt to a gray graphic t-shirt. This one a little weird, it says attitude on it with the bear, you know. Swapping the jeans, taking those off, and we're gonna put on some black sweat shorts, okay? And we kept cool gray, but I ended up changing my mind, so I'm actually putting that outfit on today. For my first streetwear look, features this shirt. I already told y'all, black sweat shorts, cool gray, and then I will put on blue hat, possibly, depends on how I'm feeling. Don't know if I'm gonna put the hat on yet.
Magnificent.
If you are dressing in streetwear, ladies, get into the oversized shirts. This is actually a small, believe it or not, but it's oversized small, if that makes sense. And also, you will see quite a few looks in today's video with sweat shorts. Let go of the biker shorts, y'all. Like, I think biker shorts have had a pretty long chokehold on us, and I think it's time for us to, you know, chill on them. Get you some sweat shorts. They're loose, comfortable, they fit nice, and they look good with a lot of different types of shirts. So, highly recommend sweat shorts. I have 3 pair of the TYSM sweat shorts from Fashion Nova Men. Those are my absolute favorite, and they're super affordable, of course, so definitely recommend that pair. I'll link them below. Next one, we got a little blue and black look. Okay, so I got on this paid in full graphic t-shirt from Dope Skill. I've mentioned them quite a few times in my videos. They make shirts specifically to match Jordans. Another piece of clothing I highly recommend if you want to get into the streetwear vibe, definitely get some cargo pants. The ones I have on now are literally my favorite pair, especially the black. I think I wear the black the most. No, ain't no think, I do. Again, they are from Fashion Nova, but it's actually Fashion Nova Women. People never believe me when they ask me where I get my pants. I say Fashion Nova. Yes, those are from Fashion Nova. They're the Good Vibes cargo jogger. I will link those below as well. And then, of course, match the outfit with the Hyper Royal 13s. But I'm also going to swap the cargo pants for the black sweat shorts again. Love that look, super simple, super cute, laid back. So the next look is cropped shirt, and I paired it with cargos. Another tip about ladies in streetwear: you can wear a crop top, show some skin, don't be scared. You can still be dressing in streetwear and wear a crop top, why not? If you pair the crop top with something like these shorts or some cargos or some sweat shorts, even stuff like that, fall into the streetwear vibe, pair that with a crop top, then it makes more sense. Okay, so the crop is the maroon one that is from Target. I think that was $5. And then I paired that with my beige cargos. Those are the same as the black ones, but they're just a different color. And then I put on my carmines. Real simple. Also did this look in a different way, kept the top and the pants, swapped the carmines for my blazers, and then I put on my red flannel. Flannels are also a very good streetwear piece to get into. If styled right, they definitely look really, really cute if you're going for that vibe. definitely wouldn't wear the flannel with the carmines though. I think that's a little much, but with the blazers, sure. And the next one, I was going for the same exact vibe as the last outfit, so I put on the white crop. Then I switched back to my black cargos, okay? Then I put on my wheat Air Force Ones, okay? So hold on, stick with me, okay? So because I put on the wheat Air Force Ones, I threw on my brown flannel on top of that. The black pants are bringing out the black lines in the brown flannel, and of course we're matching with the flannel and the wheat Air Force Ones. I think this outfit is so cute, but it is a lot hot, so I would definitely, you know, wear it off the shoulder on purpose, you feel me? You want to give off that vibe like you just being cute, but really you're like burning up, you feel me? Some of y'all feel about wearing brown and fall light colors in the summer. I really don't care. Like, I will still wear brown, olive, maroon, obviously. Even in the summertime, I just really don't care about stuff like that. But you know, whatever floats your boat. You can definitely swap the colors and do this look 1,000 different ways. I had 2 more planned, but y'all need to do laundry, so couldn't do the last 2, but I will just put those in another streetwear video later on. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you made it this far and you are in need of any video editing or graphic design services, let me know. I will link my website below. You can check my portfolio, you can contact me, check my prices and all that, all on my website, or you can email me. I will also link my business email in my description box. Definitely let me know. Let me know what your favorite look was. Comment something else if you want. Like if you liked it. Definitely subscribe though, and I will see y'all in the next one.